In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chaser to QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few practical tips to make the process smooth and predictable. Start by opening QuickBooks and making sure you're in the correct company. Look to the top right of your screen. You should see an option labeled Integrations, sitting just beside the Settings icon. Click Integrations to open the Integrations area. From here, select Find Integrations. This brings up the app directory where you can discover and connect approved apps to extend QuickBooks. In the search field, type Chaser. You should see Chaser appear in the results. If it doesn't pop up immediately, check the recommendations section, where it's often featured. Click the Chaser listing to open its overview page. This page gives you a quick snapshot of what the add-in does, what data it connects to, and what benefits you can expect. It's a great place to confirm you found the right app and to review any details about the connection and permissions. At the top right of the Chaser overview page, you'll see the option to connect the app. Go ahead and click Connect. Keep in mind this integration is only available with an active QuickBooks subscription. If you're using a test or trial environment, the button may be present but limited. The connection flow is still the same once you're on a subscribed account. After clicking Connect, QuickBooks may prompt you to authorize the connection. This is normal and simply confirms that you agree to let Chaser access the relevant data it needs, like customers and invoices, to automate your follow-ups. Review the prompts, confirm your company if asked, and proceed through the authorization. Depending on your account, this might take a moment. When the connection completes, you'll be returned to QuickBooks or directed to Chaser to finalize basic settings. At this point, the initial sync may begin, bringing your customer and invoice information into Chaser so it can start working. If you don't see data right away, give it a few minutes and refresh. If integrations isn't visible or the Connect option is unavailable, verify that you have admin access in QuickBooks and that your subscription is active. A quick browser refresh or clearing your cache can also help the app directory load correctly. That's the entire process. You went to QuickBooks, opened integrations, selected Find Integrations, searched for Chaser, reviewed the overview, and used the Connect button to authorize the app. You're now ready to take advantage of automated invoice chasing directly from your QuickBooks data.